Hello viewers, welcome to my channel Pharmacist Online. Today I came up with a new device, that's Omron device, which is used for massage purposes. In this video I will show you how to unbox this machine and how to turn it on, how to get it ready and how to use this machine. As you can see in the video, this machine name and logo, everything, so every detail is there, and the parts where you can use it for the different types of the pain. So this TENS device can be used for the different purposes, whether it's regarding joint pain, shoulder pain or whatever. So now I will show you how to unbox, and you can see inside what are the items available in the box. So guys, as you can see, we have taken the this item out, or the machine out of the box. Here is the manual. You can see the manual. If you have any difficulty in understanding about the usage of this machine, you can go through this manual. It's very easy. So guys, before you use this machine, try to go through the this manual before, because the wrong usage of this machine can be lethal or dangerous. Viewers, you can see in this machine now there are the parts. This is called Omron massager machine, right? So you can see it's a very portable, very small and smart machine. And this is something called the electrode with the cable. So now I will unwrap this and I will show you guys that how you can adjust this electrode with the cable along with the pads and all these things. And this is something called long life pads, which will be used for the massaging purpose. And this is the soft pouch that after use you can place this TENS massaging machine in this pouch. And this is something called pad holders, that after use you have to place this pad on this pad holder. And these are the batteries, since this machine is the battery operated. And this is a belt holder. So now guys, I will show you how to connect them and how to utilize on later on. So remove this plastic gently from the pads. Take the pads out. As you can see, there are electrodes on each pad. So guys, there's a plastic wrapping on each pad. So try to remove it slowly and easily. Right, when you take this TENS massaging machine, and these are the electrodes with the power cords. So untie this cable, connect this to the machine. In the lower part, as you can see, there's a port, you can connect it up with there. Once you connect this cable with this machine, here is something guys I would like to mention, that the batteries, you can place the batteries inside by means of using a coin for this screw. So you have to use it for the anti-clockwise to open the back flap of this machine in order to place the batteries inside. As you can see guys, now I'm going to put the batteries in the machine. So place the battery as directed. Put the back cover back and use the coin and try to go clockwise to screw this screw again. So keep moving unless it's tightened. Now it's ready. Another part I would like to show you, that this power cord or the electrode cable has to be connected with the electrode pads. So guys, as you can see, it's same like the ECG electrodes. There's a button, clip with the button, so you can just press it, it will click a sound. Another one same way. Right, this electrode pad, you can put these pads after use. So this is the belt holder. You can place this machine inside. There's a clip. You can adjust and you can clip it. Right, now it's time to put these pads on the desired area. So remove the plastic from the pads before use. There is a sticky gel which will stick on the desired place or desired area. I will show you in the demonstration. So for instance, this is the area which needs to be massaged. So guys, I put one pad here and another one parallel to this. As you can see. So it is used for the elbow joint pain. So now let's see how to use it, guys. See, there's a space, so I would like to just demonstrate it here. So now it's time to turn on the machine. So once you turn on, you will see by default there's a setting. So here's a button for the mode and the intensity. So this can be used for the different purposes, as you can see in the video. So there are different types of mode. You can use it for tapping, kneading, rubbing. So you can select the mode, whatever you want. You can see for the elbow, for the back pain, for the knee joint, and for the neck as well. And there are different types of mode you can select for tapping, kneading, or rubbing. So once you select the mode, then you can increase the intensity by means of two arrow buttons, you can see. So the higher you go, the more intense it becomes. So it's up to you how much you can tolerate. So let's suppose I'm using it for the arm, lower back, leg, foot, joint, knee, elbow, wrist, or the shoulder. Or for example, if any desired area you want to use it for, there are the modes you can see. So I would like to use this mode and I would increase the intensity. You can go up to 15. As I mentioned earlier, the higher you go, the more intense it becomes. So guys, as you can see, this 15 is a time interval actually, which is set by default for 15 minutes. So each session will continue for 15 minutes. After 15 minutes, you can reset again and you can start it again. Now, once you started this machine, you can feel the electrodes which is vibrating or which is used for the different sort of purposes. As you can see, my hand is fully vibrating. So I can literally feel this machine working properly. If you want to stop it, you can press the stop button or you can turn it off. Once you are done, you can remove cables. You can remove the electrode pad. So one thing I would like to mention here, guys, these are not the disposable pads. You can utilize it up to 15 times, and after 15 times you can wash it only after removing the cables. So don't try to wash it along with the cable. So please remove the cable, then wash it. And this is a sticky pad, as you can see. So you can put this electrode pad holders. For your ease, you can wrap this cable around the electrode pad holder. So this machine is now ready for the another time as well. So this is very simple, very smart, very efficient, very effective. You can place this in the soft pouch for the later on use. So guys, this is all about the machine. So don't forget to subscribe Pharmacist Online. Thank you for watching this video.